Good morning, students. How are you? I hope that all are very well. Dear students, I am going to do the revision of SA1 exam. Dear students, I have given worksheet of class 6, but some students have done and some students have not done. So please try to understand how can you achieve good marks in SST. So that you have to prefer the worksheet and try to do. Dear students, I am writing some full forms. BC. BC means before Christ. Before Christ. BC means before Christ. AC. AC means after Christ. After Christ. And BCE. Before Christ oblique common era. Common era. So dear students, you have to fill this type. Okay. Now I'm saying to you that in worksheet I had given fill in the blanks. BC stand for before Christ. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean, like this, here Indian Ocean, So like this you have to say that's in south direction, in the south direction, Indian Ocean situated. Okay. And in upper side in north, south, east and west. And like this, these are the directions name. So that's it is in south direction. Now I am coming. What do you mean by democracy? So you have to write democracy is the, you have to write democracy is the government of the people, for the people and by the people. Democracy is the government of the people and for the people and by the people. This is the statement of Abraham Lincoln. Now I am coming. Dash is a specific model of the earth. Yes, globe is a model of the earth. Globe is a स्पेरिफिक मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ, यानी ग्लोब को हम पृथ्वी का नमूना कहते हैं. नाउ आई एम कमिंग कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल. आई हैव डिनोटेड टू यू दैट कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल लाइक दिस ट्री. तो यू विल डू दिस टाइप कन्वेक्शनल सिंबल, यानी ट्री. You will make temple, conventional symbol, temple, conventional symbol, temple. You can do this type. And mosque, same this type. Moscow. And well, WELL, well. These are the conventional symbol of the following. So I have right. Dear students, next question is that what are the differences between globe and atlas? What are the differences between globe and atlas? So you will say that there are many differences between globe and atlas. Globe. A globe is a specific model of the earth, and atlas is a book of map. A book of map is known as atlas, and by the help of atlas we can gain the knowledge in about that particular country and their capitals. And by the help of globe we can know the state and country is located in which direction. So that's both are very useful and important for us. So these are differences. Dear students, so the following states: Rajasthan, Gujarat, Kerala, Bihar. So that's you have to make this type Indian map. You have to make this type. Here north, south, east and west. The Arabian Sea and Pakistan is in west direction. In north direction, the Himalayas mountain. In the south direction of India is Indian Ocean, and the east direction, the Bay of Bengal. So that's you have to see that's where is Rajasthan. So this is, here is Rajasthan, here is Gujarat, and here is Kerala, and here is like this Bihar. So that's these are the states. States are situated in the following directions. So you have to learn that. You have to see the page number 116 in your book, and you have to fully focus on this type maps. Where is which states located in the map of India. So dear students, it is known as Malabar coast. Here that's Coromandel coast, and here Gujarat, Maharashtra near, it is known as Konkan coast. So that's these are two types of coast. So you have to learn this type. Understand? Who was the first chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution? So like this you can say Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the first chairman of drafting committee of our constitution. Our constitution came in force on 26 Jan 1950 because in Lahore, the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, was delivering the dispatch in Lahore rally. So that they have demanded full Swaraj. That day and date was 26 Jan and Sunday. That's why our leaders knew, and after that our constitution came in force on 26 Jan 1950. That's why we celebrate the Republic Day on 26 Jan of every year. So please try to understand, dear students. You have to fully focus, fully dedication, work for the preparation of SA1 exam. I hope that if you will do hard labor for exam, so you can achieve good marks in essay 1 exam. Thank you so much. I will meet on next video. Thank you so much.